Multi-menu cooking functions include settings for white, sushi, mixed, porridge, sweet, brown, steam and quick cooking. Includes black thick inner cooking pan and steaming basket accessory. Detachable and washable inner lid. Delay timer 2 settings. Easy to ready LCD control panel with clock. The NL-AAC10 Micom rice cooker warmer uses advanced micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology for perfect rice every time. Not only does it cook flawless rice, but it also comes with a steaming basket to double as a steamer. This 5-1/2 cup rice cooker and warmer makes 10 cups of cooked rice and includes a variety of cooking functions including white rice, sushi, mixed rice, porridge, sweet, brown, steam, and quick cooking. This unit uses a black thick inner cooking pan that provides even heating for better cooking and has an interchangeable melody and beep signal to indicate when the cooking cycle has ended. Top reviews from the United States. Extremely convenient, but make sure you have the counter space. My last rice cooker was also a Zojirushi, but I decided to upgrade so I can cook different types of rice. This model also had the added benefit of being able to steam do sha bao and vegetables, and family members have been recommending one of the more advanced models for a while. The extended warm, reheat, and timing features are all useful as someone who is often gone for most of the day, and it's easy to use as someone who grew up with rice cookers. While I haven't steamed anything yet, the basket is relatively small and requires items to be less than 1 in thickness, with an added note to be careful of making any sort of steamed breads, so the traditional bamboo steamers or a multifunction pot might be better if that's one of the primary draws for you. I can already tell I'll be unable to make shapao in this, which is a bit disappointing, but it still cooks items like salmon and bite-sized vegetables, though you can't steam and cook your rice at the same time if the time requirements are too different. The manual the rice cooker comes with is handy for understanding the correct timing for steamed items, and it includes several recipes that I've tried and recommend. Another thing to note is the size of the unit. The 1L option is still quite large, and you should consider the counter space and storage space available in your kitchen. All in all, I am glad I've made this purchase, and I can see it becoming a great long-term investment, knock on wood.